Female, upbeat, friendly, encouraging. Feeling a bit weak in the arms and shoulders? Want to build upper body strength but don't know where to start? Perfect. This video is for you. I'm breaking down super simple, effective strength exercises anyone can do at home. Let's build some confidence together. First up, wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall, about arm's length away. Place your palms flat on the wall, slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your body straight like a plank. Slowly bend your elbows, lowering your chest towards the wall. Keep those elbows tucked in slightly, not flared out. Push back to the start. Feel that gentle work in your chest and arms. Aim for 10-12 reps. Remember, control is key. Next, dumbbell rows or use water bottles. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Hinge forward at your hips, keeping your back straight, super important. Let the weights hang down. Now, pull one weight up towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blade. Control it back down. Alternate arms or do one side then the other. This targets your back muscles. Try 8-10 reps per side, no swinging. Time for bicep curls. Stand tall, weights or bottles in hand, palms facing forward. Keep your elbows tucked close to your sides. Curl the weights up towards your shoulders, squeezing your biceps at the top. Slowly lower back down with control. Avoid using momentum. Feel the burn? Good. 10-12 reps here. Lastly, overhead press. Sit or stand tall, core engaged. Hold light weights at shoulder height, palms facing forward. Press the weights straight up overhead until your arms are almost fully extended. Don't lock your elbows. Lower back down slowly to shoulder height. This works your shoulders. Aim for 10-12 reps. Consistency is your best friend. Start with 2-3 rounds of these exercises a few times a week. Listen to your body, focus on form, not speed. You've got this. Ready to feel stronger? Save this video and give these moves a try. Which one are you starting with today? Let me know below.